Hi everyone, it's Nicole here, and I'd like to welcome you to lesson number 3 in my series of how to pronounce difficult English words. This is a little series to help you develop your pronunciation skills, feel more confident pronouncing words correctly, and for you to sound more natural. If you like this video and the other videos that I provide you with, click on the subscribe button so that you never miss out on any new learning content. And why not share this video with family and friends who are also learning English and who would like to improve the difficult area of pronunciation. So are you ready for today's words? We've got the word variety. I've chosen this because even native speakers have difficulty with this particular word. So what I'm going to do is to break it down for you, use the prompts here at the bottom of the screen to help you, but more importantly, look at my mouth and listen to my voice. And those three things combined will help you pronounce this perfectly. Are you ready? Okay, so we've got the word variety, and obviously variety means a big assortment, many things to choose from. So looking at the pronunciation of this word, we've got the, rye, like I, rye, tea. Variety, variety, variety. Your turn. Give it a go. Excellent. So in the part where I have capital letters, that's because I want you to make your voice a bit louder, because that is the part that is emphasized or stressed in this word. Variety, variety. Well done. That was perfect. Congratulations. Let's move on to the word clothes. We all know what clothes are, obviously, but the pronunciation of this word is so tricky. I'm here to simplify it for you. We've got cl, oh, clo. That's right, clo. Then we've got the TH sound, but it's the vibration TH. So look at my lips. Can you see the TH? My tongue is resting here under these teeth, and it's vibrating while I add my voice. That's it. Well done. Clo. And then I'm adding a Z sound. The Z sound is exactly the same as the S sound, but I'm just adding my voice. Clothes. Clothes. That's the hard bit, okay? The TH followed by the Z sound. Clothes. You try it. Amazing. Well done. Clothes. Clothes. Excellent. So all you have to do is to practice making, I suppose, those two final vibration sounds and saying them quicker and quicker and quicker, making them closer and closer together. Clothes. Amazing. Well done. Next, we've got the word alias. An alias, I suppose, is like a separate identity or a secret identity. You know, I might be Nicole, Sydney English teacher, but my alias might be, Superwoman or something. There you go. So we've got the word alias, and the pronunciation is alias. Alias. alias, alias. You try. Well done. Alias. So the part in capital letters we want to say a bit louder. Try again. Alias. Perfect. Well done, everyone. I'm so proud. The next word we've got is genuine. And if something is genuine, it means it's 100% real. It's 100%, I suppose, original. Genuine. It's not a copy. Some people say genuine, but international English is what we're learning here, international pronunciation. So it's genuine. That's what I'll be teaching you. So we've got the word, the sound gen, you, un, genuine, genuine. Amazing. Try it again. Well done. Feel free to press pause or to rewind the video if you need to, but that was perfect. Well done. Genuine. And we've got another word here, which is law. So obviously the law, the legal aspect that we need to follow. And again, the way it's written and the way it's pronounced are a little bit different. So this might make it easier for you. Law. So it's just like the word or, O-R, or, and we put an L in front of it. Law. Law. Well done. Very good, everyone. So there you go. They're your words for this lesson. I hope that you really enjoyed learning how to pronounce them properly. Feel free to go back, watch the video again, press pause, practice, take notes. And if you enjoyed the video, share it with your family and friends, and better yet, subscribe. I'll be back again with another pronunciation video really soon. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.